Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Want to enjoy steakhouse perfection right in your own kitchen? It's entirely possible and easier than you think. We'll show you the exact steps to recreate that juicy, flavorful Outback steak you love without ever leaving home. Get ready to impress your family and friends with restaurant-quality results that taste absolutely incredible. This simple guide will transform your weeknight dinners into something truly special. The journey to a great steak begins with choosing the right cut. Look for a thick ribeye or sirloin, about 1.5 inches thick, for that classic steakhouse experience. Before seasoning, it's crucial to pat your steak completely dry. This ensures a perfect, crispy sear on the outside. Also, remember to let your meat sit out for about 20 minutes, bringing it to room temperature for more even cooking. Now for the secret to that iconic Outback flavor, their signature seasoning rub. This blend consists of 8 key spices that truly elevate the meat. Begin with a generous mix of coarse salt, fresh black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder as your foundational base. Then, layer in paprika, ground coriander, a pinch of turmeric, and just a touch of cayenne pepper for that subtle, delightful kick. For that incredible crust, a screaming hot cast iron skillet is non-negotiable. Get it smoking hot before adding your seasoned steak. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your desired doneness, until a beautiful mahogany crust forms. Once cooked, transfer the steak to a cutting board and let it rest for a full 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. After resting, it's time to slice your masterpiece. Always slice against the grain. This cuts through the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender and easy to chew. Arrange your perfectly cooked steak on a plate, alongside classic sides like a fluffy baked potato or some vibrant steamed vegetables. You've now created a truly delicious steakhouse experience, all from the comfort of your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.